Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring VS Code and the language extension are installed. This is the fastest way to get meaningful output. Open your project folder and focus on the file you will run. Make sure it is saved with the proper extension so the runner recognizes it. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ and, if required, create or activate a virtual environment or compile artifacts so the runtime can produce output. You now run the program using Run Start Debugging F5 for breakpoints or Run Without Debugging Ctrl+ F5 for straight output. Make sure to watch three places: the debug console for debugger prints, the integrated terminal for program stdout/stdir, and the output panel for extension or build logs. If output is missing or the run configuration is wrong, edit or generate launch. JSON or tasks. JSON in the VSCode folder to define the runtime, working directory, and arguments. You finish by confirming where output lands: terminal, debug console, or a redirected file. If you need persistent logs, run with redirection like node app, JSOut, log, and then open that file. Make sure launch. JSON specifies integrated terminal or external terminal depending on interactive needs. If you still see no output, check the path and interpreter settings, ensure the correct workspace folder is open, and restart VS Code. Those steps resolve most missing output issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.